Hello, this is Katie Vitro, and this is the Tech Integration Tip of the Week for January 8, 2018. This week we're going to talk all about the amazing app Classkick and how you can use it in a lot of different ways to make it work for your classroom. If you are not already familiar with Classkick, then you'll probably be impressed with how it allows teachers to create slides that students can access and annotate at their own pace. Students can use the slides like a whiteboard, add links, import photos, and record themselves. It is an amazing tool for gathering evidence of learning, and it is also awesome because it allows teachers to import PDFs, essentially allowing you to go paperless. It also allows you to monitor students' progress live while they are working by viewing their screens within the app. Students can electronically raise their hands to ask you for help or have you check their work, and you can remotely access their screen to add stickers, words of encouragement, highlight areas to look at again for correction, or even drop them a recording. We have lots of teachers using Classkick here in our building, so let's check out some of the ways you might use this versatile app with your students. Molly Donabedian-Ross is a grade 2 teacher here at Buxton Center. She uses Classkick with her second graders in order to record their inferences so that she can hear their thinking when she may not be able to get to every student in her classroom in one day. So kids take their iPads, they access the Classkick slide deck from their iPad, and then they look at the inferencing pictures and record their thinking about the questions, which Molly can listen to later. She can then differentiate the slide deck based on what she's hearing and provide feedback in her own time, freeing her up in the classroom to teach small groups or conference with individuals. Sarah Terrio is a grade 3 teacher here at Buxton. She uses Classkick in several different subjects. One of the really great ways she uses Classkick is she has the class complete worksheets or prompts or questions in Classkick that they can then screenshot and drop into their digital notebooks in Book Creator. So she's using Classkick to app smash with other apps. She also uses Classkick to take advantage of their tools. So you'll notice on the questions picture on here that she has the kids use the green for thin questions and the blue for thick questions when she's teaching them the difference between concrete and abstract questions. Darcy Pinkham is a grade 4-5 looping teacher. She started using Classkick with her kids last year and has continued to use Classkick with them this year. And that's really great because it's allowed her to build a process. So one of the really great examples is you see the two bottom slides in this picture have to do with math. You can see that they're labeled MBT.5. She uses the slides to break down complex problems or processes in order for her kids to be more successful. So when she's giving them a word problem, for example, she even has a slide built in that says, what strategy are you going to use to solve this problem? Which prompts kids to stop and think about how they're going to be successful. And she also provides space for them to complete their work or show their work. So they can do it on paper and pencil and then take a photo, or they can do it right in the whiteboard. She also uses Classkick for fluency. So she'll put the fluency passage right in the slide deck, and you'll see at the top that this one is labeled Take 1. So this is the child's first attempt at reading this passage, which they can record right in Classkick. The awesome thing is the recording gives her the time, so she can actually pull a words per minute fluency score from the recording. She can also duplicate the slide and do a take 2, a take 3, a take 4 in order to build opportunities for the student to practice their reading authentically. One of the most exciting ways I've seen Classkick use is with Christina Cook, our occupational therapist. She even wrote a little message that I'm just going to read for you. She says, as a school-based occupational therapist, I'm always looking for alternatives to help my special education students succeed in the academic setting. With Classkick, I'm able to give my students the opportunity to show what they know by typing, using an index finger to write in a special color, or dictating responses to answer questions. This allows them to show teachers what they know without worrying about motor impairments that may be impacting writing legibility. I can also work on the same assignments with a group of students and differentiate the assignment so it can be completed at their given level. Classkick is motivating to my most challenging students and gives kids the opportunity to be proud of their work. You can see in the photos below that students enjoyed using Classkick for a variety of purposes. And what I really love is in the photo on the left, you can see that Christina used stars to give immediate feedback to the student as they were working together in a smaller group setting. I really encourage you to check it out. At classkick.com, you'll be able to sign up for your free account, create your first assignment, and get started today. It's really that easy.